Begin by selecting a user. Open Configuration. Select Users. Locate the Enable Time Clock Control button. Open the Timesheet Passcode tab. Enter in a passcode for each user. This will be their clock in and clock out password to use on the system. It is mandatory to enter in a timesheet passcode for each user. Return to the seller screen. Notice the clock in and clock out options. The system now has the ability to clock in and clock out your sellers by entering the passcode that was given to them. Notice that when a user is clocked out, they no longer appear on the seller screen and cannot use the system unless they clock back in. And that is how you set up time clock control.